Hi children, welcome to VIN Sushmita here. Today you are going to learn GK chapter 18, the 7 continents of the world. What you are going to learn children about the 7 continents you are going to learn in this chapter, okay. See, firstly we will see the introduction, okay children. See, a continent is the main landmass expanse found on earth. There are 7 continents on the planet earth, namely Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. The continents differ in size and population. It was believed that in the past these 7 continents were all joined together and broke apart during the Triassic and the Jurassic period. This hypothetical concept is called as Pangaea. Even today, it is believed that the continents are still in movement, which is called continental drift or the plate tectonics theory. See children, what they have given here, the continents were land masses, okay, and there are 7 continents. What are they? Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, Antarctica, okay. Now these will not be in a same size or it will be in a same population. No, it will be different, okay. Next, in the past they were believed that all the 7 continents are at a one place, but after the Triassic and Jurassic periods ended, so they divided into 7 continents, okay, and this we call it as Pangaea. And it is also believed that now also these 7 continents will be moving. This we call it as a continental drift, okay. This is also called as a plate tectonic theory, okay children. Now we will see here Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, Antarctica, okay. These are the 7 continents, okay. Now children will see first continent, that is Asia, okay. Yes, it is the largest continent in both landmass and population, covering 1/3 of the earth's surface. See, Asia is the largest continent, not only in the landmass but also in the population also it is in the number 1 position, okay. Asia is the only continent that share borders with 2 other continents, Africa and Europe. It sometimes joined with the 3rd continent, North America, in the winter by ice forming in the Bering Sea. See children, this is the only continent which share its border in 2 continents. The one is Africa and Europe, okay. And sometimes it will join towards the North America also when it is in a time of winter, okay. Next, it is home to the highest mountain peaks of the world, that is the Himalayan mountain range in India and the greatest elevation on earth found in Nepal, the Mount Everest, which is 29,335 feet above sea level. The lowest point on land, the Dead Sea, is also in Asia. See children, in Asia we have so many highest mountain peaks, okay. And you can see Himalayan mountain range which is in India, and in Nepal we have the famous, the 3rd largest mountain range, that is Mount Everest, which is 29,035 feet above from the sea level. And the lowest point of a land, that is Dead Sea, is in Asia, okay. Next, Asia is home to 5 of the world's top 10 rivers, because when it rains on its vast continent, the water has very long journey to the sea. See what they have given, as it is the largest continent, no children, when the rain comes, the rivers will be so large. So here we have so many rivers, okay. The seven wonders of the world, such as the Great Wall of China in China and Taj Mahal in India, also in continent Asia. See, we have the seven wonders we have, no children. In that, two wonders are in this Asia continent itself. What are they? The Great Wall of China in China and Taj Mahal is in India. Okay. Now, it is a birthplace for various religions like Hinduism, Buddhism, Islam, and great civilization like the 7,000-year-old Sumer civilization in Mesopotamia to the 6,000-year-old Indus Valley civilization in India. Ancient culture is rich in Asia. See what they have given, children. This continent is birthplace for so many religions like Hinduism, Christianism, Buddhism, Islam, everything. And they are given here in 7,000 years ago only there is a Sumer civilization started. Mesopotamian civilization starts 6,000 years ago in India, and this continent has so many ancient cultures. Okay, it is a rich ancient culture. Next, India produces the maximum mangoes than any other country in the world of around 12 billion tons. With over a billion languages in Asia, Mandarin Chinese is said to be the world's most spoken language. See children, what they have given here. In India, we will produce mangoes. No children, no other country will produce mangoes as much we produce. Okay. Next, the world which is having 12 billion tons. See, 12 billion ton will produce for the other countries which will not produce mangoes. Okay. Next year, with so many billion languages will speak in Asia. There we can say that Mandarin Chinese is the world's most spoken languages. Okay, is in Asia. The continent's mineral oil resources are of global importance for our energy needs, and these underground reserves have made some countries like Saudi Arabia and Kuwait very wealthy. See children, in this continent we can get so many mineral oil. By this energy only the underground reserves are so many are there. So here so many countries came here wealthy. What are they? Saudi Arabia and Kuwait. Okay. Next, India is the world's largest democracy with 66.38% voters that turned out the last general election. Means, see children, India is having the world's largest democracy, has 66.38% have been voted in the last general election. Okay. Next, it is the home to various animals like the tigers, lions, panda, yak, Indian rhinoceros, giant panda, Asian elephant, Bactrian camel, Komodo, dragon, python, king cobra, etc. See children, in this Asian continent so many wildlife creatures, animals will live here. Okay. See children, this is the map of Asia. Okay, see. Asian continent map this is. Okay children, see here so many countries are there, it is filled with so many countries. Okay. Now we will see about Africa. Okay children, see about Africa. Africa, it is the second largest continent and the second most populous continent. See, it is a second largest continent and it is secondly most populated continent. It includes the largest desert in the world, that is the Sahara, and the longest river in the world, that is Nile river in Egypt. See children, what they have given here, the Africa is it holds a largest desert in the world, that is Sahara desert, and the longest river, what is that? The Nile river which is in Egypt. Okay. The African continent is said to be the place where the first humans existed and further learned to use tools. See, this is the African continent which was the first to be said that humans were there, and they learned how to use tools also. Okay. Now the imaginary horizontal line that divides the earth into two halves part, that is the equator of the earth, passes through the middle of the African continent. The continent receives direct sunlight and has hot climate throughout the year. The world's hottest place, Ethiopia, is in the African continent. See children, the earth will be divided to the half of its sides, no, the equator. Yes children, this Africa is there, no, the imaginary line, the earth divides two equal parts, no children, that line, equator line will passes through this African continent. By that what happens, the hottest continent is this. Why? Because directly the sunlight will falls to the continent. Okay. And the world's hottest place, which is called as Ethiopia, is in this continent. Okay. See children, Africa is rich in precious minerals. For 95% of the world's diamonds and 50% of the world's gold is found here. See children, it is very rich in minerals like diamonds and gold. See, 95% of diamonds we can found in this continent, it seems. Next, 50% of gold we can found in this continent. Okay. Next, it is a home to the fastest land animal, which includes the cheetah, wild beast, lion and gazelle. See children, this is the having an animal of so many fastest running animals like cheetah, wild beast, lion and gazelle. Okay. Now, the other major animal include the African elephant, zebra, giraffe, addak and the Egyptian mongoose. See, what are all the other animals we can see in Africa are African elephant, zebra, giraffe, addak and the Egyptian mongoose. Okay. It was also called the dark continent as not much was known about it due to difficult inhabitant terrain. See children, this continent is also called as dark continent. Why? Because it has having a different habitat. Okay. 66% of the world's chocolate comes from the African continent. See children, for the world 66% of the chocolates will comes from the African continent, it seems. Okay. Now see children, the Africa map. Okay. See, this is a continent Africa. Okay. Now we will see about South America. What we are going to see here children, about the South America. Okay. See, it is the third largest continent in area following Asia and Africa. After Asia and Africa, the third one it is North America. Okay. It stands fourth in population after Asia, Africa and Europe. See, when it comes to the population, it is having a fourth place because the Europe is in third place. Okay. It has 5 different time zones and said to have temperate climate. See children, this continent has 5 different time zones and it is having a temperate climate. Okay. It has a Lake Superior, which is the largest freshwater lake in the world, located on the borders between the United States of Canada. See children, what they have given here, the Lake Superior, which is the world's largest freshwater lake, which is located in a border of United States and Canada. Okay. It also has the third longest river in the world, that is the Mississippi, which means the great river, and the world's shortest river, that is the Roy in Monte, USA. See children, it is having the longest river in the world, that is Mississippi, and also it has the shortest river, that is the Roy, which is in USA. Okay. Next, many world famous technology companies like Google, Facebook, Apple and the world's largest economy nation, that is in the USA, is also in North America. See children, in USA we see so many companies like Google, Apple, Facebook, WhatsApp, whatever you use children, that all companies are there in USA, which is in North America continent. Okay. Next, the elves, the word smallest owl in the word is found in North America. See children, the name of elf, it is a name of a owl, it seems it is in North America. Okay. Yes, see children, the other major animals in North America continent are brown bears, bald eagles, hummingbirds, bullfrogs, etc. See, the animals are found here are brown bears, bald eagle, hummingbird and bullfrogs. Okay. Next, Cuba, a country in North America, is the largest exporter of sugar in the world and also called as the sugar bowl of the world. See children, the Cuba, which is a country in North America, will export sugar for the worldwide. So, it is called as the sugar bowl of the world. Okay. Next, it is the largest producer of wheat, maize and soya bean and the largest exporter of wheat. See, this is the place where we can see wheat, maize, soya bean in a large exporter. Okay children, see here. This is the map of North America. Okay children, see here, this is the map of North America. Okay.